Hey guys. You see that? That's me. Because my video made me cringe so hard I became a crumbled piece of paper. So yeah, I thought my last video was pretty craptastic, and I thought I'd just make a video about why it was. You guys may not necessarily agree with everything I say in the video, but I don't know. But hey, if you guys stick around to the end of the video, you get a bonus vid, so let's get into it, shall we? Alright, what's the first wrong thing you notice with this picture? I'll give you one more second. The fact that it says subscribe. 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 I have to write everything backwards because the camera is flipped and it's not reversed, so everything is backwards when I write it. Even the drawings are reversed and it just stinks. Next reason. Next thing is, I don't have that much of a high quality mic. It's a mic made by Microsoft. It's only about 45 bucks. It's not too bad. It's pretty good for gaming and whatnot, but it's apparently not that good for voiceovers. The last thing is, I don't think I'm generically that much of a funny person. I'm not saying I'm not funny at all, but when it comes to like telling stories or telling jokes and stuff, I don't think I'm that funny when it comes to stuff like that. So yeah. Well, if you made it this far, then congratulations, you get the bonus vid. It's just random facts about my channel. If you don't care, goodbye. Anyway, let's get these facts started, and by the way, I'm not going to change the picture at all, so don't get too excited. So, first fact, 89% of my viewers are male, and 11% of my viewers are female. Shout out to Macaulay, aka my papa. I'm only giving her a shout out because she's the only one I've ever seen comment that is a female. And it was only like 2 days ago. Anyway. Fact 2. Most of my viewers come from USA, UK, Canada, and Italy. But I've also had viewers range from Spain, Germany, Japan, and China, which is pretty cool. Fact 3. I guess apparently I work for YouTube now because I've made 3 cents off of YouTube. Now, I don't have 100 subscribers yet, and I already have 3 cents, so that's pretty cool. Anyway, fact 4. I have 107 videos. Well, technically I think the Yandere video made it 108. So this technically may be 109. I wrote the script the same day I finished Yandere video, so I do think that this was 108 videos. Or it was 108 videos when I posted the Yandere video. Fact 5, right? Fact 5. YouTube says my estimated views for the last 48 hours is supposed to be 77 views. That's because my Battleborn video had over, what was it? It was like 509 views. So because of that, it puts my views pretty high, but in the last 60 minutes, it's supposed to only have 7 views, so pretty cool. It's your lucky day, because apparently the paper fell midway through recording. So I'm just gonna stick with this page for the rest of the video. Not a lot of facts left. Anyway, fact 6? Yeah, fact 6. I think. I don't know. Fact 6. My favorite this is my favorite blah blah. My favorite video game on this channel would have to be the Mirror's Edge videos. That's like my favorite video game. I don't know why it is. It is. Yeah. Fact 7. I've always wanted to do a Q&A video, but you guys don't send me any questions. So keep that in mind. I'd love to do a Q&A video. I promise. Last fact. My collective view count is over 3,776. Well, I have 58 subs. It's pretty cool. Guess. Hey guys, if the video, bye.